English to Pashto short sentences. Don't lose your heart. زړه مه وهه. Don't lose your heart. Buzz up at once. سمدستی ووځه. Buzz up at once. You changed my life. تا زما ژوند بدل کو. You changed my life. It touched my heart. دا زما زړه ته پریوتو. It touched my heart. You spoke my mind. تا زما د زړه خبره وکړه. You spoke my mind. I will remain same for life long. زه به تل داسې اوسېږم. I will remain same for life long. I understand his trick. زه د هغه په چال باندې پوهیږم. I understand his trick. I kept missing you. زه تا یادوم. I kept missing you. This much jealousy is not good. دومره حسد ښه نه دی. This much jealousy is not good. Your face got red. ستا مخ سور شو. Your face got red. Feel a bit shy. لږ شانتی شرم وکا. Feel a bit shy. Look, don't get me wrong. وګورا ما غلط مګنا. Look, don't get me wrong. It is sipped water. دا جوټه اوبدي. It is sipped water. Don't drink it. دا مسکا. Don't drink it. End this conversation. دا خبره ختم کا. End this conversation. Before I get furious. د دې نه مخکې چې ما لقار راشي. Before I get furious. It has its own feel. د دې خپله یو مزه ده. It has its own feel. I'm slave of my habits. زه د خپل عادتونو نه مجبور یم. I'm slave of my habits. He is wise. هغه هوښیار دی. He is wise. Thankfully you came. دا شکر دی چې ته راغلی. Thankfully you came. Thankfully you did not cry. دا شکر دی چې تا ونه جړل. Thankfully you did not cry. Thankfully you laughed. دا شکر دی چې تا وخاندل. Thankfully you laughed. Thankfully you met. دا شکر دی چې ته میلاو شوې. Thankfully you met. I love her. زه د هغې سره مینه کوم. I love her. Go and tell her. لاړ شه او هغې ته ووایه. Go and tell her. Leave her on her own. هغه په خپل حال باندې پریږدوه. Leave her on her own. I had a lot of fun. ما ډېرې مزې وکړې. I had a lot of fun. Your wish is my command. ستا حکم په سر سترګو. Your wish is my command. You never miss me. ته ما چریادی نه. You never miss me. You have a long life. ډیر اوږد ژوند دی ستا. You have a long life. I just talked about you. ما وستا په باره کې خبره وکړه. I just talked about you. Forget her. هغه یې رکا. Forget her. Forgetting her is not easy. هغه یې آسان ندی. Forgetting her is not easy. He is good by heart. هغه د زړه نه ښه دی. He is good by heart. Black suit suits you. تور جوړه ستا سره خوند کوي. Black suit suits you. We are not on good terms. زمون په درمیان کې تعلق ښه نه دی. We are not on good terms. How big biter you are. ته څومره چغل خور یې. How big biter you are. It's inner secret. دا دننۍ خبره ده. It's inner secret. Keep it to yourself. دا د ځانه پورې وساته. Keep it to yourself. It is hot today. نن ګرمي ده. It indeed is very hot. نن واقعي ډیره ګرمي ده. It indeed is very hot. The thing is that. خبره دا ده چې The thing is that. You are very sly. ته ډیر مکار یې. You are very sly. It goes without saying that. په دې کې ویلو والا خبره نه ده. It goes without saying that. He is still half asleep. هغه اوس هم په خوب کې دی. He is still half asleep. I am not in the mood. زه په طبیعت کې نه یم. I am not in the mood. I had to return. زه مجبوراً واپس راغلم. I had to return. Give me good news. مال ښه خبر را. Give me good news. Don't give me bad news. بد خبر را لمه را کوا. Don't give me bad news. So many days. دومره ورځې. So many days. یعنی ډېرې ورځې. She mentioned me. هغې زما ذکر وکړو. She mentioned me. What come may. وس چې هر څه یي. What come may. Give me cold water. یهی اوبه راله را. Give me cold water. I know a bit. ما ته لږ شانتې پته ده. I know a bit. About it. دې باره کې. About it. Tell his family. د هغه کور والا ته ووایه. Tell his family. یا د هغه خاندان ته ووایه. I talk to them. زه د هغوی سره خبرې کوم. I talk to them. I have to leave. ما لره وتل دي. I have to leave. I am already late. د مخکې نه را باندې ناوخته دی. I am already late. د دې نور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. تھینکس فار واچینګ.